Hi everyone, it's Raylyn from the Wapiti Regional Library and welcome back for another Craft from Around the World video. Today we will be traveling to China, which is where you can find their traditional Chinese paper lanterns. Given the historical role they play in the Chinese culture, I thought it was only fitting I would teach you guys how to make one for yourself. So let's go and I'll teach you how to make it. For today's craft, you will need 2 different colored pieces of construction paper, a stapler, scissors, a hole punch, a ruler, a pencil, and some string. The first step you'll need to do is choose the outside color of your lantern. Then you will fold that piece of paper lengthwise. Next, take your ruler and place it on the folded edge of the paper and mark lines along the whole edge that measure 2 centimeters apart. Then you'll place your ruler on the short side of your paper and measure 2 centimeters from the top. This is to stop you from cutting all the way through. Now you'll take your scissors and cut straight where you marked on the bottom. Remember, don't cut all the way through and stop at the line you made at the top. For this next step, you'll need to bring your 2 ends of your paper together. Make sure at least one of the strips is overlapping, and then staple together the top and the bottom. This step can be a bit tricky because you need to figure out how big you need your inside layer to be, but if you take your second colored piece of paper and mark it where it overlaps on the first layer of your lantern, it can help you with getting the right size. Once you have your inside layer marked, take your stapler and do the same thing as before. Staple the top and the bottom. You'll need to staple it in multiple places to make sure it holds together. For this next part, you'll need to insert your second cylinder into the first one. If your cylinder is too big, you can make a little U shape with your paper and insert it, and then fix the ends once it's in. Once you have the second piece in, you can staple the 2 pieces together at the top. Now take your scissors and cut off the extra paper from the second layer. Once that's done, you can staple the bottom of the lantern. Now you can either stop there, but if you want to hang your lantern, follow this next step. To finish off our lantern, take your hole punch and make 2 even holes at the top of your lantern. You can bring the 2 pieces together to make it easier. Then cut a piece of string or twine, weave it through the holes, and tie a knot to secure the string. And there we have our finished Chinese paper lantern.